everyone! So the other day I bought this Gemini Junior from Hobby Lobby, and a couple people asked me to do an unboxing on it, so I haven't opened it and used it yet, but I want to go ahead and do some Christmas die cuts to send out some merry mail. I know Christmas is already tomorrow, which I'll probably post this tomorrow, so technically today, I guess, when you guys are watching it. So I want to go ahead and unbox this so we can go ahead and see what's all included. When I'm at the store, I don't read packaging. When I order stuff online, I don't read packaging. You guys know I'm horrible at it. So when I was there, I saw that it says that it was a junior, and I was wondering if it was going to be too small for my dies. So I'm not exactly sure what's the difference between a regular size and a junior size. I have no idea. It's from Crafter's Companion. I didn't do any research on it when I was in the store or even after. So it's going to be an all new experience to you and to myself as well. So let me see if I can open this up in my little space. Okay, let me open this. Hold on. Okay, so I wanted you guys to see what I see when I first open it. So it looks like it comes with some stuff. Okay, where I need to go and register it is ripped apart. So hopefully the other piece is in here somewhere, and I don't know why that's ripped. Okay, put that there. Let's see, what do we have? Oh, so we have a magnetic skim right here. Oh, so it's 6 by 9. So I guess this is the opening. So I think most of my dies will fit, right? 6 by 9. Is that like the standard big kick size? I think that's what mine is, right? I have no idea. So, oh, are these like, oh, it goes this way. So we have this, and we have a plastic skim. Okay, this is used for die cutting and embossing. This is used for, this is the same thing. Then we have a metal cutting plate. Okay, so I don't know what the difference is between all of these. Like, when would I use one over the other? So I guess I'm gonna have to do some research. Okay, here's a rubber embossing mat. Here's the rest of my cut up registration. And 2 clear plates. Okay. So we have all of these pieces. So I'm going to have to do some research because, like I said, I don't know when you would use one over the other for those. And over here, it looks like we have some dies. And this looks totally brand new. The plastic is still on here. So I guess they're just not going to carry it anymore is why Hobby Lobby was clearancing it. Okay, so right here we have, I think this is a 3D embossing folder. So 3D swirls. This is a 4x6. Okay, yep. This is an embossing folder. So it's a 3D embossing folder, and it's going to make this pattern right here. And then over here we have some dies. So I think it says hello and love, and then just some like border pieces. So we have those two, and then we have our little manual here. And I think after that it's just the machine. So I'm definitely going to have to read the manual, the user guide here, to see when I use what. So this says everything that came in here. 11 metal dies. Was there 11 on that thing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6 metal dies. Well, duh, it says right here, 6 metal dies. So I think I might be missing a set of dies. And 1 3D embossing folder, I got that. Power cord, user guide. Okay, I think I got everything else, but mine didn't have 11 dies in here. Okay, and here's what I needed to know was the sandwiching the plates on what I need to use. Okay, perfect. So cutting intricate dies, cutting thin dies. Okay, this is great. So this is exactly what I needed to know. So, and I love that it has photos of everything. So it shows you exactly how you need to lay everything out. It tells you what it is. So this is awesome. This is exactly what I needed to know. And then, okay, and then it flips over into another language. So English is the first 6 pages. And then it flips over to other languages. Okay, perfect. So let me go ahead and take this out of the box. I'm wondering if maybe the other dies fell on the bottom of the machine. So let me take this on out. Okay, this little thing is heavy. There is some weight to this. So I took that out of the packaging. I have my power cord here, and the other set of dies was underneath it. So it had just fallen over. So here are the other set of dies. So we have a tag, 3 hearts, and then I don't know why we have another little like hole thing here, because the tag has a hole here. So I guess it's if you want to punch a hole in the hearts, you can go ahead and do that, is what I'm going to guess. Oh, see, and this is extra deep right there, 1.5 mm. So is this different than my other dies? I think so. So these are thinner than this one, and then these are a lot more detailed and intricate than this one. So let's plug this in and let's go ahead and give it a go and see what we have going on here. So here's my cord. Let's plug this on in right there. Okay, let me get everything all set up here. Okay guys, so sadly my extension cord that I have, because my outlet is blocked by my shelving, I have an extension cord. It only has 2 prongs, and for this one I need a 3. So I guess we're not going to do a demo today. So sorry. I thought we were going to be able to use this today and show you, but I don't have anywhere to plug this in my little crafty room over here. So sorry about that. I thought we were, but this is the unboxing of it. I mean, for $32.50, I'm going to say that this was probably a great deal to go ahead and pick up from Hobby Lobby clearance. Like I said, this little manual right here does give great instructions, which is definitely what I needed, and you know, with all the little visuals on here. So alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Merry Christmas. Bye guys.